Dodge has announced the allocation process for the 2018 Challenger SRT Demon. With only 3,000 copies earmarked for the US, the system prioritizes models sold at or below the car's $86,090 MSRP. The move ensures customers who plan on racing their Demons get theirs first, and it also dissuades price gouging. Demons sold at or below starting price will be fast-tracked for production, resulting in a lower serial number. Models sold above MSRP will be built after priority production concludes. As we previously reported, many of the Demon's special track goodies can be had for just $1. Some additional creature comforts are available, but they cost much more than that. Allocation to dealers will be based on Charger and Challenger sales performance, and will be weighted 60% SRT Hellcat and 40% other Charger and Challenger models. To be eligible, a dealer must have sold more than one Hellcat in the last 12 months. Dealers can only order as many Demons as FCA has allocated. Before a sale can be counted as a verified sold order, the customer must complete and sign an acknowledgement document that must then be signed by the dealer, notarized, and submitted to the Demon concierge. What a title! Only after the document is reviewed and approved will the car be greenlit for production. FCA says the purpose of this process is to inform the customer of the vehicle's special safety considerations and technical specifications, and also to make sure the customer knows about the price-based production order. If a dealer has to sit down and go over a document that says the buyer will get his or her car much later than everyone else at the price they're paying, ridiculous markups are less likely to occur. Dealers can place orders for the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon beginning on Wednesday, June 21st. Production for the drag-focused coupe that makes up to 840 horsepower and 770 pounds-to-foot of torque starts this summer, with first deliveries to dealers to commence in the fall.